All right, class public keys. So we're going to implement a generic class public keys, which returns all of the public keys of a class. Oh, this one. Oh, I don't want to ruin it, but there's laughs that are ahead. I don't even want to read the... Okay, we have a class.
I would have to Google for the answer here. So feel free to ruin it as much as you
No,
want.
go ahead. What is the very
have
first thing you would think to try? What is the dumbest solution you can think of?
I would try map type and just see what it returns.
No, dumber than that.
Casting it? Like as object or something?
Even dumber.
All right, you gotta...
There's a 7-character solution to this one. Like
type of? I don't know. Yeah.
Go dumb. You're close. Dumber. How do we get the keys of the class? How do we get the keys of T?
Can you like spread it to an array?
Dumber.
Oh, that's true. That was being creative and yeah. It's not objects that keys of because that doesn't. That's not typified.
Try it. Key of. No. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that one. But like,
okay.
In TypeScript, how would you get the keys of an interface? Let's say.
Oh, because it's all typed, right? I guess
T
A1 or whatever the
yes
T. Oh, right. Because we're getting passed in there. Yeah.
That's the answer.
That makes sense because TypeScript wouldn't expose the protected values to itself.
Yes. I think like it's interesting because this one is there. Like, okay, so that's one solution. Here's another solution. There's not a hard way. There's not really a way to make this harder. I mean, this person stored the values of key of T, and they see if P extends key of T, return P, otherwise never. This is like basically a no-op. I just
tautologies are tautologies.
Yeah, I thought it was cute. I'm just gonna paste it on the screen. I'll read it, but like people like to read sometimes as well. So here we go. So this person on GitHub made an explanation that I thought was really on point. So ZHAOYAO91. They're probably born in 91. That's my guess. So in TypeScript, when you create a class A, or you write class A, like this syntax, you define 2 types in the type system. One of them is A, which is the type of the instance of the class A. And another is type of A, which is the type of the class object, say like class A. I understand that sounds like word salad, but one of them is a thing that exists at runtime, and that's like the class, which is like JavaScript stuff, not TypeScript, JavaScript stuff. And if you do type of that thing, you can get a TypeScript type back. The TypeScript type has keys. So when you do key of T, you're saying not key of a JavaScript thing, you're saying key of the type of that JavaScript thing. Because classes had to be implemented a certain way, or they were implemented a certain way, they kind of act as both. And what a lot of people don't know is that like you can say class A, and I can also say like type A equals, whatever. Or I'm sorry, I can also make an actual class that has that type. So they kind of have both. And so what do they say here? So an instance of class A is just an object. Key of keyword returns its public fields. So that's the solution. Not a difficult one, I think, in a way, but I think it was really fun. See, this is why I love doing the challenges with co-hosts, because if I just explain this, it wouldn't be that fun. But to see you go through like, okay, I'm going to spread the keys. And it's just like we get into a mode where we're like, okay, there's no way this is easy. This has to be hard.
Right.
I will tell you, though, this is literally the only one of the like hard set that is like there. This is the only challenge that's like this. I don't think there's another challenge that has like a trick answer that's way easier than you think. But anyway, what are your thoughts on this? Yeah, let's hear it.
No, yeah, that's perfect. The written explanation makes sense. Yeah.
Another day in TypeScript land. Cool. All right, well, let's go on to the next one then. That was easy. The next one is not easy.